This is an art attack? This is an art attack. This is Art Attack! You're one of those people who spends all day dreaming about your, Valentine. You know what you need? A heartthrob. And here it is. Watch this. There she is. Say nothing. Come and have a look at this. Now, to make your heartthrob's arrow, you need some thin card. Cereal box card will do, but I like to use this nice brightly coloured card. And then take a ruler, place it in the middle of the card and draw round it. Now, I always use pencil at this stage, just in case I make a mistake. I can always rub the pencil out or go over it a little later on. And then the idea is to divide this strip into 3 equal sections. Now, 30 centimetres, if you're using a 30 centimetre ruler, divided by 3 is 10 centimetres each section. And then here's one there and one there. So you've got 3 sections. Now I want to divide this middle section into 3 equal blocks. So 10 centimetres divided by 3 is 3 1/3. You can take some time over this. I'm just doing it quickly to show you. So we've got 3 equal sections and 3 equal boxes in the middle section. Then just put an S in the right-hand box, because that's going to be your secret box for your heartthrob. Now, to turn the whole thing into an arrow, just put a tip on it there, like that, and a feathery tail up there, like that, and then cut the whole thing out, and you have something that looks like this. And then place that arrow shape onto another piece of thin card. Just place it in the middle, and the idea is to draw a heart shape that's slightly wider than your middle section. So I'm just going to draw it around the arrow, like that. And again, I'm using pencil, because if I make a mistake, I can always rub it out or just alter it as we're going. And just bring the heart down to there, I think. You see, I'm just adjusting it here, putting little marks in for myself. And then just draw a line across the top of the arrow and the bottom to mark the arrow's position. And then you just have to mark the position of this middle box. Take the arrow away and then just join up the heart like that. And when you're happy with the shape, just go over it with a felt tip pen. And you can just make the shape a little bit better there and then rub out the pencil. I'm always doing that sort of thing. There it goes, round there. And you must also join up these dots in the middle. So create your square again, like that. And then cut out the heart and cut slots into these 2 lines so that you have something that looks like that. There's my heart shape, and you see I've cut my slots into those 2 middle lines. And then paint it any colour you like, but pink for a heart, or maybe red for a heart. And see what I've done here? Put a nice bright highlight on there and got round it in pen. And then on your arrow strip, just colour the middle box the same colour as your heart, and then cut out a picture of your heartthrob or your Valentine to fit that secret box there, and just a dab of glue on the back. Again, you can take your time doing this. I'm just going to do it quickly there to show you, and just place that carefully into position there. And then you can decorate the rest of your arrow using gold or silver pen. I like using these silver pens, very effective. Just do the feathers there, and you can finish the whole thing off, and you'll have something that looks a little bit like that. And then it's just a case of threading the arrow through the heart, just very carefully, whoops, through there, and just pull it through. It's a bit stiff to start with, and there it is. And then just give it a tug to reveal your heartthrob. And there she is. and don't tell anyone. And you could always do a smaller one and send it instead of a Valentine card. There it is. You do it in exactly the same way, as long as you divide your arrow strip into 3 equal sections and the middle section into 3 equal boxes. And then you could always write a secret message in the secret box. There we are. Guess who? Me. Try it yourself. Send your Valentine a heartthrob.
Hello! Yes, it's me, the head. Now, just remember that your arrow strip should be split into 3 sections, and the middle section should be split into 3 boxes. So, that's 3 sections and then 3 boxes. And what a lovely thing to send to your sweetheart. Well, I should know. I've just sent myself one.